Hello everyone, welcome back to Kiran's English Hub. So we are continuing with the summaries of 7th class English, and so far all the explanations of reading A of Unit 8 are already completed. So till snakes in India, the videos have been recorded and uploaded in the playlist. So those who want to watch those lessons, please go through my playlist and watch the above lessons which are on the screen from Unit 1 to Unit 8 reading A. And in this video I will be teaching you the next reading, which is a poem, and the poem title is Trees. So before getting into the video here, those who didn't subscribe to my channel yet, please do subscribe it and click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification when I upload the next class videos. So let us quickly get into the poem here. So this is another beautiful poem in 7th class English, which is titled as Trees, and also one of my favorite English poems. Okay, so in this poem we'll be learning about tree. Okay, the uses of tree. Okay, different benefits that we get from tree. So here we'll be quickly getting into the text here, and as you can see the picture here, there is a tree, mango tree, as you can identify it with the mangoes here, birds, and as you go below, so here you can see the green pastures and also cows here, okay, which are resting under the tree. Okay, so let us quickly get into the poem here. Trees. Let me wait for some time. Yes. Okay. Trees are the kindest things I know. They do no harm, they simply grow. So here the speaker of this poem tells that trees are the kindest things that the speaker knows. So no other being or no other creature on the earth is the kindest than the tree. So here they do no harm, they simply keep on growing and growing, and also they do no harm, they don't have any type of characteristics or future features of doing any harm to anybody. They simply keep on growing and growing, and spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather birds among their boughs. So they also give so much of shade which is useful for so many different animals like cows, goats, buffaloes and all. They just simply go under these trees and take rest under the shade. Okay, and also the tree gathers different birds among the boughs in the sense like among the branches. So as you can see that there are like many trees which usually give shelter to so many birds. Okay, so that is how the trees help both animals and also the birds. They give us fruit in leaves above and wood to make our houses of. So what do? They are also useful to human beings, not only to the animals and birds. They are also useful. Trees are also useful for the human beings. Okay, so trees give human beings so many fruits in their leaves and also wood to make the houses. So in India, if you go to rural areas, there you can see that the houses are usually made with the wood, different leaves, branches and also wood. Okay, so not only in India, in the foreign countries like US and Canada, there mostly the houses are built with wood itself. Okay, so they use only wood to build their houses, to construct their houses. Okay, next. And leaves to burn on Halloween, and in the spring new birds of green. And trees are also useful to burn them. Okay, usually the people burn it during the Halloween is a type of festival which is usually celebrated in some of the foreign countries. Okay, so on the day people gather in one place or different places. They try to they wear different costume which is not a normal costume, which is little bit like terrific costume, which is usually like devil type of costume. So during the time they burn different branches, trees and all, to give some type of fear or feeling of fear to other people. Okay, so trees are useful in that manner also. And in the spring season, okay, you all know the spring season, right? It is very beautiful and one of the spectacular season usually, where we can find out very greenish, light greenish, and it is very light in color. The green color in the spring season is very light in color. So why is it very light in color? Because during that time we can see new birds of green leaves, like during the summer all the leaves of the trees they just fall down, wither away. And during this summer spring season, all these new birds of green, like small green leaves, will be sprouting out. Okay, so that time the greenery will be so cherishing to watch. Okay, so the trees usually give this type of amusement also. Third stanza: they are the first when days begin to touch the beams of morning sun. So early in the morning, who is the who is the first person, or which is the first thing to touch the sun raises? It is the tree. Okay, because we are not like longer than tree, right? So since tree is too long, usually if it is entering into our area, it is first being touched by the trees. Okay, beams of morning sun, beams in the sense the rays of the morning sun. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. So even during the night time also, during the evening time also, trees are the last one to hold the evening light. Okay, so usually the light usually goes a little bit earlier, from our faces, from the human beings. After that, at last the light gets off from the trees. Okay, so in the morning time, trees are the first ones to hold these sunrises, and in the evening time also trees are the last ones to hold these sunrises. And when a moon floats in the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby. So during the night time, when there is like full moon like that in the sky, you can just experience this drowsy the breeze which makes usually people so drowsy. So that is little bit cool and a little bit drowsy also. That's why it is called as drowsy lullaby. Okay, lullaby, right? Lullaby is type of a song which is usually sung to the kids, like small kids, small children. Okay, uh, like 0 to 1 year. Okay, so usually parents or mothers, they sing these type of lullabies to make them sleep. So during that time, these trees give one type of floating, like smooth and floating breeze, which makes the people to sleep. Of sleepy children long ago. So this is how. Okay, so long ago in the sense not now. Okay, so in like during my childhood also, our grandparents or parents, they used to make us to sleep outside of the houses. Okay, so there we experience the moon, stars above on our heads. Okay, we sleep on the cot, right? So we directly see the moon, we see the stars, we count them, we try to play some games also. And if you experience the breeze in the time, it is very superb one. So in the cities, those children who usually are in the cities and all, I think usually you might not have come across this type of experience. Okay, so usually you sleep in the AC rooms and cool rooms, right? So you don't have this type of experience of this smooth breeze with the moon over your head, with full moon and stars. That is a wonderful experience. Try it if possible. So trees are the kindest things I know. Again, we are ending with the same line, which is trees are the kindest things I know. So throughout the poem, you can see the trees are not getting any benefit from us, but we humans, birds, animals, everybody is getting so much of benefit from the trees. So that is why trees are so kind, and trees are the kindest things that the speaker ever knows. So this is written by Harry Ben. And as we go further here, we have glossary. Boss, that is noun. Branches, that is used for literary use. Halloween, the night of 31st October, when children dress in special clothes and people try to frighten each other. Okay, we don't celebrate this Halloween season. It usually celebrated in some of the foreign countries. Okay, beams, race, drowsy, sleepy, lullaby, a song we sing to help a child fall asleep. Okay, so that is it for this poem. So as you can see, it is one of the coolest poems, which is very well striking, and also we can learn so many things, which are usually the things which we get from the trees and all. Okay, so if you read this, you can understand how trees are being so helpful to all the human beings. This poem is not just simply for a namesake or for examination's sake, but this poem tells us how trees are helping us in many different ways. Okay, fine. So please read it after watching the explanation here. And in the next video, I will be teaching you reading C, which is a letter from Mother Earth. So that is going to be another important lesson. So don't forget to watch it. So subscribe and click on the bell icon before leaving the video, so that you will get the notification when I upload the next videos. And also I will be uploading the grammar videos very soon. So keep on watching the videos, so you will be very soon getting the explanation of the grammar from this lesson also. Okay students, so keep watching until the next video being uploaded. Take care. God bless you.